Well, hello guys, it is ZLD here and welcome back to another video. Now in this video I'm going to be doing something that I've not done before, which is a diabetes video on the low carb program. Today I am going to be teaching you how to make banana and peanut butter drop pancakes. So, for this, you will need half a banana, which is about 60 grams, and one large egg, and of course, some peanut butter. So first thing we need to do is weigh the banana. Now we just need to take the banana out the skin, then stick it on the scales and it weighs 93 grams. But we only need 60, so how much do you reckon, cut mustard?
Well, it's a third, isn't it? So
about that much?
Cut a third off. No, I would say a bit less.
That much?
Try that. If it's wrong, you can always just put a bit more on. No, the big bit.
Oh. 67, 68.
Please chop a tiny bit more off. And then I'll eat it. Nom 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 nom.
55, no!
That's
60.
Right.
Okay, so now we just need to get rid of that. Say bye bye, we don't need you anymore. Now, next step is to beat a large egg. So, to beat an egg, you just need to get a fork. Of course, everyone knows how to beat an egg. And we don't need that anymore. Okay, beat it very well. So that should be enough now. Next we just need to put 2 generous teaspoons of this peanut butter in there. That's 1. Come on, come out.
Just use your finger.
Okay. Oh. And then 2. Oh, this is so weird on my hand.
That was a bit messy, Zach. Never mind. Okay, now what?
Okay, that's us done. Now we can just get rid of that. Now we can mashing up the bananas and the peanut butter together. Okay, I'm just going to mash this till it's smooth and creamy. So we're just going to cut ahead a good few seconds in the video. Okay, now that's all nice and finished. Now we just need to add this and do yet even more beating till it's about consistency of a kind of a thick custard type thing. And guess what? Beat, beat, beat again for the 3rd time. Okay, now that's all ready and beaten. It's time to head over to the frying pan. Okay, now, next thing we do is we need to turn it on to high heat. Now, because we're using a non-stick frying pan right here, we don't even need to fry it in butter. So we can just put it straight in and let's get cracking. Okay, so now this should be warmed up by now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do 3 of them, using 1 spoon of this big serving spoon. Now what we need to do is put them in blobs right on the frying pan here. That's 1. We're going to use half of the mix because this is only the first 3 that we're going to do. And because it's not... Oh yeah, I already said that. So, for these 3 pancakes, it's only 11 carbs each for the 3 pancakes, and the normal pancakes about 14 or 15 for 1. So, very low carb, great option. Okay, so we're just going to leave them for another few minutes until they start bubbling on the top, and then that tells us they're ready to be flipped. That one's nearly ready to be flipped. That one's nearly ready, and that one is nearly ready as well. So Just going to leave them for another few seconds. And flip one. You ready for the next one? Flip two. Flip three. Wow, these look great, don't they? Comment down below if you think they look good. So now, I'm just going to leave them for about 30 seconds or turn them down to low heat. Leave them for about 30 seconds or so. Then I'm going to put them on the plate and try them. Okay, heat off because they're now ready. Right. That's one. That's two. Oh, that's three. There we go. They look great, don't they? So I'm gonna put the recipe down in the video description to these things. So these things, they also make perfect snack. Taste really nice, don't they? Hey, do you want to try one?
Oh, thanks.
Okay, so quickly both for them now. Let me know down in the comments below if you enjoyed them. That's if you made them, of course. And as for now, pancake out.